we draw some remember this word, okay, we draw some imaginary, okay, imaginary lines on, okay, these lines are not real, they are imaginary, okay, we have not drawn them on earth, but we think, okay, we imagine that these lines exist on earth. Fine, this much you must remember, okay, imaginary lines we have considered, we have imagined, okay. Now let's see, we consider some imaginary points also, okay, imaginary points on earth, on, fine. So these points will be 2, okay. How many imaginary points we imagine? 2 points, fine, okay. Now I would explain you these with the help of a diagram. So you must have seen a globe, see, this is how a globe looks, okay. Now see, there is a line passing through the center of this globe, see, this is the line, okay, and these are the 2 points, fine. These both are, this line as well as both of these points, they are what? They are imaginary, they don't exist on earth in reality, okay. So this line, okay, which passes through the center of earth and which joins these 2 points is known as axis, okay. And these 2 points, okay, which are connected, which are joined by the axis, they are known as poles, okay, fine. This much you must have understood, and I would like to repeat once again, all these things, this line and these points, okay, they are imaginary, okay, they don't exist in reality, fine. So let us move to the next point. Now suppose this is our earth, okay, and I told you we have imagined these 2 points, and okay, there is a one imaginary line which connects these points, and that is known as axis, fine. But now, so this is our earth, and we imagine one more line, okay, and that line it divides earth into two parts. Okay, fine. And this line is known as equator. Okay, and this line divides earth into how many parts? Okay, two parts. One is towards the north of this equator and the other part is towards the south of equator. Okay, so the portion of earth towards the northern part of equator is known as northern hemisphere. Fine. And the portion of earth which remains towards the south of this equator is known as fine. Okay, and these points, the point which is north to the equator, this point will be known as north pole, and the point, okay, which lies to the south of equator is known as south. Fine. So first we imagined one line and that line was known as axis. Now we imagined one more line and that line is cutting earth into two parts. Okay, the name of that line is equator. Fine. And the portion of earth which is north of equator is known as northern hemisphere, and the portion of earth which is towards the south of equator, it is known as southern hemisphere. And we imagine 2 points on earth, and the point which is north to the equator is known as north pole, and the point which is south to the equator is known as south pole. Okay, fine. This much you understood. Now I would like to tell you something more. Okay, this equator, we draw more lines. Okay, and I would like to make the diagram of earth. This is equator as I have drawn, and we draw more lines which are parallel to equator. Okay, in the northern hemisphere also and in the southern hemisphere also. Fine. See, now this is equator.